Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Find X5 Lite, and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So first, let's open the settings application and then tap to connection and sharing section. After that, you'll see here the NFC. Just click here once on the switcher to activate the NFC. If you want to turn it off, we should click here on the switcher once again. Also, we have the second way how we can use the NFC, how we can activate it. Just first, we should open the notification panel shortcuts, and here we can see you can find somewhere here the NFC icon. Just to activate the NFC, we should click here once on this icon, and to turn it off, we should click on the icon once again. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.